It's nice to see that cruise ship. Just came from underneath the bridge there. Here we go. And there's the cops. This is really cool. The first cruise ship that my friend and I seen, that was really cool. We're on top of that bridge right there. And it went right underneath us. That was really cool. I love it here though. How nice. I love coming into Seawall. It's like the nicest ride ever. Especially on a day like today. Nighttime too is really good because there's almost nobody here. But yeah, during the day is really cool too. Look at this. That's a cool ship.